up, YouTube? It's Callie, and you are now watching another epic burping video with me. And guess what? Guess what? Okay, and you guys are just in luck because, well, you see, there was this deal going on at 7-Eleven. Yeah, 2 for $3. My dad got a Coke, I got a Dr. Pepper, so it's gonna be a chugging video with epic, monstrous, ginormous, thunderous, it's thundering outside, burps with Callie and my friend, Mr. Teddy. Your name sucks. Need a new one. Anyways, alright. So, I'm not gonna chug this whole thing because that's ridiculous and I would have the biggest sugar high of my life. So I'm gonna do what I can and I'm gonna burp for you guys and it's gonna be awesome. Okay. Oh. Air. I love Dr. Pepper. Alright. I'm so excited. Here we go. You know, okay, I have a serious question. If anyone knows the answer to this, I will love you forever. So, does anyone know how to get partnered on YouTube or whatever it is you do to get paid to make videos? Like, do you request it, or does someone ask you, or like do you have to get a confirmation from YouTube? Like, do they ask you to make video? I don't know. Like, how do you make money for making YouTube videos? Like, I got a message a while back and it was like, go to this site to get partnered, and so I clicked on it but nothing happened, so I thought it was like a virus or spam or whatever. But yeah, so if anyone knows the answer to that, please leave me a comment or message me and I will thank you and I will love you forever. Tastes like tulipas. Yum. So excited. I'm going to try and attempt to burp the alphabet. Okay, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the way I'm sitting or what, but these burps are not coming out. Okay, I'm sitting up straight now. Maybe they will come out. Okay, that was not a burp. You know what would be really greatly appreciated? If you stopped asking me to make farting videos. It's really annoying, honestly, it is, and I hate seeing it, and I'm just like, oh my god, a comment, and I'm like, oh, okay, screw off. Really though, it's just, no, it's really annoying, and I'm not gonna make a farting video because I originally made this channel because it was burping channel, not farting channel, not going to fart for you. You can go fart on your own in Dutch oven yourself. You can just fart under the covers and sniff it all you want, because I'm not gonna fart and you're not gonna smell it through the screen, so what's the point, you know? That's nasty. I mean, a burping fetish is one thing, but a farting fetish, far-fetched. Get it? Far-fetched. Fetish. Yeah. Damn, that sucks.